Guys, look at this Huracan here. Also the same wrap as that Aventador, I think. Looks amazing. Is that a wrap? I think it is. That looks crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's look at it from the back here. I love the Huracan compared to the Aventador. So much more aggressive. Obviously, they're almost like two different styles, but this one is just beautiful. I would take this over that any day.
Wrapped last week, and then we put the Super Veloce wheels on there.
Nice.
Yeah.
This yours, man?
That's my brother's. This is mine.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can't believe this is stock.
I'll be you one day. Think so? But you'll be security.
Guys, update. A bird just freshly shat on this Lamborghini here. Austin, did you see this?
That's on that.
All three matte.
Yeah.
What?